In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from Slack. Whether it's a coworker who no longer needs access to a specific project channel or simply managing your workspace efficiently, knowing how to remove someone from a Slack channel is an essential skill for keeping your Slack environment organized. First, let's begin by opening the Slack channel from which you want to remove a person. You can do this easily by navigating to the Slack app on your computer or mobile device. In the app, you'll see a list of all your channels on the left side of the screen. Browse through this list and click on the channel you need to manage. If you're using a mobile device, just tap on the channel name. Once you have the channel open, direct your attention to the very top of the screen. You will notice the channel name prominently displayed there. Clicking on the channel name is a crucial step, as it will lead you to a detailed view of the channel's settings and information. This is where you can manage all sorts of channel-specific details. After clicking the channel name, a panel or window will pop up, and within this panel you'll find several options. Look for the Members section. This area will show you everyone who's currently part of the channel. This list is essential as it provides you with an overview of the individuals participating in that specific discussion or project area. Now that you can see the members list, your next task is to locate the individual you want to remove from the channel. Sometimes it might be tricky if the list is long, but most Slack members are arranged in alphabetical order, making it easier for you to spot the name you're looking for. Once you've found the person, it's time to move on to the next step. You'll want to hover your mouse over their name, or if you're on a mobile device, simply tap on the name. This action will typically reveal more options, and amongst them, you should see an option that says something like Remove from Channel. Go ahead and select that option. After you choose the Remove from Channel option, a confirmation message will usually appear. This step is essentially a safeguard to ensure that you're making this change intentionally, as it could have significant implications for the team member and project involved. Carefully review the confirmation prompt to make sure you're about to remove the correct person, and once you're confident, proceed by clicking or tapping Confirm. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed someone from a Slack channel. This process helps maintain a clean working environment and ensures that team members are only included in relevant conversations. With these simple steps, managing your workspace is much more streamlined and effective.